Welcome everyone. As promised in this tutorial, we will talk about augmented reality and its use in healthcare. Imagine a world where surgeons can see through a patient's skin to navigate critical blood vessels during an operation, or where medical students can explore a beating heart in 3D without stepping into a dissection lab. This is not science fiction. It's happening today with augmented reality. In a field where precision, speed, and understanding can save lives, augmented reality is revolutionizing how we train, diagnose, and treat. In this tutorial, we'll explore the incredible ways augmented reality is reshaping healthcare. So, if you're a medical professional, a student, or simply curious about cutting-edge technology, this session will show you how augmented reality is bridging the gap between imagination and reality, one innovation at a time. Let's dive into the future of medicine. So, what is augmented reality? Augmented reality is a technology that overlays digital information, such as images, sounds, or other data, onto the real world. Unlike virtual reality, VR, which immerses users in a fully simulated environment, augmented reality enhances the physical environment by adding interactive elements, creating a blend of the virtual and real worlds. This technology is often used through devices like smartphones, tablets, smart glasses, or headsets. Augmented reality is transforming various industries, and healthcare is no exception. By providing real-time, context-sensitive data and visuals, augmented reality is revolutionizing how healthcare professionals learn, diagnose, and treat patients. Let's see the applications of augmented reality in healthcare. 1. Medical training and education. Visualizing anatomy. Augmented reality allows medical students and professionals to see and interact with 3D models of the human body. Applications like Microsoft HoloLens let users explore anatomy in a detailed and interactive way, providing insights into structures and systems that go beyond traditional textbooks or cadavers. 2. Surgical simulations. Trainees can practice complex surgeries in an augmented environment, viewing step-by-step guidance overlaid onto their workspace. Surgical assistance augmented reality provides surgeons with real-time guidance during operations. For instance, it can overlay 3D images of a patient's internal anatomy, e.g., organs, blood vessels, onto their body, helping the surgeon navigate more accurately. Platforms like AcuVein use augmented reality to project a map of veins on a patient's skin, improving accuracy for injections or IV placements. 3. Patient care and education. Augmented reality helps patients better understand their medical conditions. Doctors can use augmented reality apps to visually explain diagnoses, procedures, or treatment plans, making healthcare more accessible and less intimidating. Apps like augmented reality allow patients to see a virtual representation of their condition or planned treatment. 4. Rehabilitation and physical therapy. Augmented reality is used in rehabilitation programs to help patients recover from injuries or surgeries. By gamifying exercises, augmented reality motivates patients to engage more actively in their recovery process. For example, augmented reality can guide a patient through movements, ensuring proper form and tracking progress. 5. Mental health treatment. Augmented reality is employed in exposure therapy for conditions like phobias or PTSD. It provides controlled exposure to triggering environments, helping patients confront their fears in a safe setting. Some augmented reality applications also assist in meditation and mindfulness exercises, improving mental well-being. 6. Telemedicine and remote assistance. Augmented reality enables remote consultations, where doctors can view a patient's condition in real time with additional contextual data. For example, An augmented reality device could allow a specialist to guide a remote healthcare worker during a procedure. 7. Drug development and pharmacy. Pharmaceutical companies use augmented reality to visualize molecular structures and simulate drug interactions, accelerating the research and development process. In pharmacies, augmented reality can help patients understand how to take their medications correctly, including proper dosages and potential side effects. The benefits of augmented reality in healthcare are: 1. Improved precision. Augmented reality enhances accuracy in procedures, diagnostics, and treatments by providing real-time detailed guidance. 2. Enhanced learning. Medical trainees and professionals can interact with 3D models and scenarios, improving retention and skill development. 3. Better patient engagement. By making complex information visually understandable, augmented reality bridges communication gaps between patients and healthcare providers. 4. Time efficiency. Augmented reality can streamline processes such as finding veins for injections or conducting surgeries, saving valuable time. As expected, the challenges are: 1. High costs. The development and implementation of augmented reality systems can be expensive, limiting accessibility for smaller healthcare facilities. 2. Technological barriers. Not all medical professionals are familiar with augmented reality, and extensive training may be required for effective use. 3. Integration with existing systems. Augmented reality tools need to seamlessly integrate with hospital infrastructure, including electronic medical records, EMRs, and imaging systems. And finally, number 4 is regulatory concerns. Ensuring the accuracy and reliability of augmented reality in critical applications is essential, which may involve extensive testing and regulatory approval. Before we wrap up this session, let's see some examples of augmented reality tools in healthcare. AccuVein assists in finding veins for injections or IVs by projecting vein maps onto the skin. Medivis Surgical AR provides surgeons with augmented guidance by projecting 3D images of a patient's anatomy during operations. Holoanatomy, an educational tool for medical students to study 3D models of the human body. BrainPower AR helps children with autism develop social and communication skills through AR-based exercises. In summary, augmented reality is reshaping healthcare by enhancing precision, improving training, and enriching patient experiences. While challenges like cost and technological adoption remain, the potential of augmented reality to revolutionize healthcare practices is undeniable. As the technology continues to evolve, its applications will likely expand, further transforming how healthcare is delivered and experienced. Thank you for your time, and looking forward to meeting you soon.